So my answer is my underconfidence, which I was facing. I used to avoid all the opportunities, but today I am standing myself here in front of you with better person.
Thank you so much, Mamadi. Your answer?
Hello everyone, myself Sagar Sanwal from Bodoland, and my answer is my personal weakness is that I get emotional very quick, and I am improving it by calming myself, controlling my emotions, and praying to God. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sagar. Your name?
Hello everyone, I am Jyotisma Boro, and my answer is I believe I am working hard to make myself so confident, but my weakness is my physique and I know I am the best.
Thank you so much, Jyotisma. Next we have...
Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Jimani, and my answer is my personal problem is communication, and I am still improving it. And I believe that what you try to achieve by heart, you will achieve it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanjay. Next we have...
Hello everyone, my name is Pranjal Devmari and I am from Bodoland. So my answer is, my personal weakness is I cannot see the poor people sparingly. So, मैं खुद को इतना काबिल बनाना चाहूँगा कि मैं उन लोगों के लिए कुछ कर पाऊँ. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pranjal. So best of luck to all the Mr.